Installing PV arrays on tile roofs is time-consuming, complicated and expensive, yet such installations have been rising steadily, driven by high utility rates and cheaper module prices. The tile roof mount from 9Sun Solar caters to this growing market by providing a faster, more reliable and more affordable way to install PV modules on pitched roofs. Designed for easy assembly, it ensures the installation is done in the shortest time with high efficiency, which greatly saves project costs. The system consists of support rails made of aluminium and other components, such as stainless steel roof hooks and clamps to achieve a stable and strong connection between the roof support structure and modules. The hooks are available in various designs to make it easy to attach support rails on a wide variety of roof coverings, including tiles, wooden, seam metal, steel, aluminium and shingle surfaces. It allows modules to be mounted in portrait or landscape arrangements with a tilt angle of up to 60 degrees, guaranteeing optimal module orientation to maximise energy yield. It is fully compliant with multiple international standards on wind and snow loads, making it suitable for a wide variety of climatic zones. We provide a 10-year warranty for our products, and the actual service life is up to 25 years. Our customer service team offers free after-sales and technical support during the warranty period to address any customer complaints regarding product quality and service life. We also ship our products directly to overseas customers without any intermediaries, helping to reduce transport and other logistics costs.